Welcome back to Global Defense Zone, your trusted headquarters for military power, defense technology, and battlefield innovation. If you're passionate about modern warfare systems, next-generation drones, and international military comparisons, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who love defense content just as much as you do. Today, we're entering the high-tech battlefield of unmanned aerial vehicles. In this episode, we compare two of the most talked-about combat drones in the world, China's CH-7 stealth drone and America's MQ-9 Reaper. Which drone dominates the skies? Which one would win in a real-world conflict? Let's find out. Introduction to the Titans. Let's begin by introducing the two powerful drones. The MQ-9 Reaper, developed by General Atomics, is a battle-tested, long-endurance hunter-killer drone used by the United States Air Force and allied nations. It is one of the most combat-proven UCAVs in the world, serving in Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and beyond. On the other side, we have the CH-7, also known as the Rainbow 7, developed by China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, CASC. This drone represents China's move into the world of stealth technology and next-gen warfare. Still under development, the CH-7 is seen as a rival to U.S. stealth drones like the RQ-170 and even the MQ-9 in terms of mission scope. Both drones are powerful, but they serve different roles and represent different doctrines. Design and stealth capabilities. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 has a conventional UAV design with a high aspect ratio wing, tailplane, and pusher propeller. It's not stealthy and is designed for open-air missions in low-threat environments. It relies heavily on air superiority provided by manned aircraft and ground-based defenses. CH-7. The CH-7, in contrast, is a flying-wing stealth drone, similar in appearance to the American RQ-170 Sentinel or X-47B. Its angular design, lack of tail, and internal weapons bay make it highly resistant to radar detection. The CH-7 is built to penetrate deep into enemy airspace undetected, something the MQ-9 cannot do. So, in terms of stealth, the CH-7 clearly has the advantage. Size, speed, and performance. Let's talk about technical specs. MQ-9 Reaper, a wingspan, 20 meters a length, 11 meters to max speed, 480 kilometers per hour, 298 miles per hour. Service ceiling, 15,240 meters, 50,000 feet. Endurance, up to 27 hours a range. 1,850 kilometers, 1,150 miles, CH-7 drone. Wingspan, around 22 meters a length, about 10 meters to max speed, estimated Mach 0.8, 990 km/h or 615 miles per hour. Service ceiling, around 13,000 meters, 42,650 feet. Endurance, 15 to 20 hours a range, over 2,000 kilometers, 240 plus miles, while the Reaper wins in endurance. The CH-7 is faster and stealthier, ideal for swift, surgical operations deep in contested territory. Payload and firepower. Both drones are armed, but their approach to firepower is different. MQ-9 Reaper. The Reaper can carry up to 1,700 kilograms, 3,750 pounds, of payload. Weapons include a AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, a GBU, 12 Paveway 2 laser-guided bombs, a GBU, 38 DAMs. It also has external hardpoints for weapons, which increases its detectability. CH-7 drone. The CH-7 carries weapons internally to maintain stealth. Estimated to be able to carry precision-guided bombs, air-to-surface missiles, electronic warfare pods. Exact payload capacity is still unknown but is expected to be lower than the MQ-9. So, the MQ-9 is a better platform for heavy firepower, while the CH-7 sacrifices payload for stealth and survivability. roles and mission profiles. These two drones are built for different kinds of warfare. MQ-9 Reaper, designed for persistent strike, reconnaissance, and close air support. Best used in asymmetric warfare and counterinsurgency operations. Operates in airspaces where the U.S. already has air superiority. CH-7 drone, designed for penetration strikes, deep reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Capable of operating in contested or denied airspace, thanks to its stealth. Intended to support peer-to-peer warfare against technologically advanced opponents like the U.S. or NATO. In other words, the Reaper dominates low-threat zones, while the CH-7 is built for high-stakes combat zones. Technological edge. The MQ-9 benefits from decades of combat experience, integration with U.S. military infrastructure, and networked warfare capabilities. Satellite links, real-time video feeds, and coordination with jets and ground forces make it a battlefield commander's dream. It can loiter for over a day, offering extended surveillance and immediate strike capability. The CH-7, although newer and less proven, is a symbol of China's rapid leap in drone technology. It's being integrated into China's electronic warfare and anti-access/area denial A2/AD strategies. Also expected to function as a sensor node in a larger network of stealth aircraft and naval assets. In terms of networked warfare, the MQ-9 still leads, but the CH-7 is catching up fast. Global influence and export potential. The MQ-9 has been exported widely, used by UK, Italy, France, Spain, Netherlands, India, and others. Its track record makes it a reliable product on the global defense market. The CH-7, however, is still under testing and development, but China is expected to market it aggressively once fully operational. Given China's history of exporting drones like the CH-4 and Winglong series, the CH-7 may soon appear in the arsenals of countries outside the U.S. alliance system, particularly in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. This could shift the global drone power balance, depending on its performance. Who wins? So, the final question: which drone is better? If you're looking for combat experience, endurance, and firepower, the MQ-9 Reaper is the clear winner. But if your mission is to sneak into heavily defended airspace, gather intelligence, or launch a stealthy first strike, the CH-7 has the edge. Ultimately, these two drones serve different purposes. Comparing them is like comparing a sniper to a machine gunner. Both are deadly, but used in different ways. In the modern battlefield, both drones could exist side by side, each playing a unique and dangerous role in the future of warfare. And that wraps up today's comparison between China's CH-7 stealth drone and America's MQ-9 Reaper. If you found this video informative, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Global Defense Zone, and share it with your friends who love military tech and defense discussions. Which drone do you think is more dangerous in a future war scenario? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most advanced military technology, only on Global Defense Zone. Thanks for watching, and remember, the battle for the skies is only just beginning.